Marine Kids.
Welcome to the ocean. The sunlight is dancing in the sky. A vibrant day has begun in the sea. All the marine creatures have something to do. Let's wish them a beautiful day. Hello, Octopus. How about dancing with your friends all day long? It sounds like a lot of fun. Have a beautiful day, Octopus. Hello, Whale. Today you'll be journeying through the giant waves. Remember to capture what you see along the way. An exciting day awaits you. Have a beautiful day, Whale. Hello, Jellyfish. There is nothing like having a delicious breakfast. How about go shopping for it? Have a beautiful day, Jellyfish. Hello, Starfish. You look like you've gathered your energy today. Shining in the deep water sounds like a great idea. Have a beautiful day, Starfish. Hello, Crab. Exploring the most beautiful rocks of the ocean is a fantastic activity. It may be tiring though. Don't forget to take a break. Have a beautiful day, Crab. Hello, Sea Turtle. Gliding through the clear waters must bring you happiness. You can invite your friends if you'd like. Have a beautiful day, Sea Turtle. Hello, Oyster. A lot of fish will come to visit you today. It might be a good idea to prepare for it. Have a beautiful day, Oyster. Hello, Shark. Going to the amusement park with your little fish friends is a great idea today. I can see you've rested enough. It's time for some fun. Have a beautiful day, Shark. Hello, Flounder. How about playing hide and seek today? Let's find you a hiding spot in the sand. Have a beautiful day, Flounder. Hello, Pufferfish. Would you like to surprise your friends with your skills today? Get ready to inflate and deflate. Have a beautiful day, Pufferfish. Hello, Clownfish. Are you ready to swim among the colorful corals? It sounds very peaceful. Have a beautiful day, Clownfish. Hello, Seal. The sunset in the sky looks perfect for watching. So, you can swim a bit and then come ashore. Have a beautiful day, Seal. Hello, Shrimp. How about cleaning the ocean today? I know that thanks to you, the sea will be much cleaner. Have a beautiful day, Shrimp. Hello, Seahorse. Creating bubbles and making your baby smile in the water is a fantastic idea. They are eagerly waiting for this moment too. Have a beautiful day, Seahorse. Hello, Dolphin. Are you ready to sing all day long? You seem full of energy for it. Have a beautiful day, Dolphin.